prosecute them. That suggestion from Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton to the police as residents in St. Thomas continue to flout COVID-19 safety protocols despite a quarantine in 3 communities. Dr. Tufton made the call following a tour of the quarantine zone on Friday. Krista Campbell was there.
A 14-day quarantine for the communities of Bamboo River, Summit and Church Corner in Morant Bay, St. Thomas, but observe some residents in the area. Some in masks or not wearing the protective gear properly, others not wearing any at all.
When I look around in the parish, even though it gets so bad here, a lot of people want to go on the buses and they don't want to wear the mask. The conductors are telling them to wear masks. Some of them they are so unruly.
The health minister's response.
We kind of want a public display of some of the people that we are praying, because I don't mind the camera catching them, because people have to understand that if they don't play their part, right?
You are hearing clearly.
If they don't play their part, we cannot allow people who are just flaunting the law, and then we put ourselves into this kind of situation.
Dr. Christopher Tufton wants health aides to flood the area with flyers reminding residents to comply with all the safety protocols by Monday.
We are waiting on that process to start. Soon after that, we'll start enforcing strict measures to prosecute persons if persons fail to adhere.
And with 3 communities under lockdown, renewed fears from residents like Fernando Francis, who walked from his home in Roselle to Morant Bay to do business on Friday.
How long a walk was it for you?
Well, I won't say an hour or 2. Yeah.
In the boiling sun?
Yeah, I just walk in till I reach Morant Bay and I walk in going back home. I'm not taking in the vehicle go home back. Because I don't trust the vehicle, because one can't have the virus and go in the vehicle. Even in the supermarket now, you go in the supermarket and them take up something and them put it down back. Somebody go back in the supermarket and take it up back, and when them take it up now, the virus could have leave on it and them catch it. No one don't know how the virus is going to spread, so.
At the usually bustling transportation center in the town, few taxi operators and even fewer passengers, prompting this appeal from President of the Taxi Association.
Do not withdraw your service or desist from work. All you have to do is protect yourself.
I have my sanitizer, you can see it here, and I have it in the car also. I'm afraid to work also, that's why I'm on the trip that I made this morning, because I don't know who I'm carrying into my vehicle. I don't know who is the affected person in my vehicle.
They're worried that they may be losing business just when things were starting to pick up. In the meantime, they're appealing for a hand-washing station at the transportation center to help taxi operators and passengers better protect themselves from the virus. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.